Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So Emancipation Day at the Emancipation Park in New Kingston. This is a major chill spot for Kingston. The music and noise is loud. So I'm gonna do less narration and just do a walk around for you guys. So I'm gonna play music, walk around. I can't get to talk a lot because the music is loud. Pegasus over there was the tallest building, 17 floors. We have the Rogers, the Pinnacle in Mumbai as well. That's gonna be taller. Courtyard Marriott. So they're keeping an event today because it's Emancipation Day, August 1st. So you have food, drinks, souvenir. Outside they allow patrons to be selling as well. So you can get stuff to buy. Hot dog, burgers, you have ice cream, you have restaurant by the Marriott and restaurant by the Pegasus as well. So quick walk around for you guys. Probably you stayed in today with your family. So this video will be a little bit of the outdoor for you guys. Alright, so let's jump into some B-roll and just to catch some shots. Alright guys, so happy Emancipation Day. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing the video as well. And I hope you enjoy this walkthrough. I hope you feel as if you were here. I'll just try to capture as much as I can in a short video for you guys. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Enjoy your day with your family, your loved one, and your friends.